If Claude is giving you an error, freezing, not loading properly, or stopping halfway through a response, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. These are simple troubleshooting methods that can help you get Claude working again quickly, whether you're seeing a connection issue, a capacity message, a length limit error, or a page that just won't behave the way it should. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is turning off your VPN. Claude can sometimes block traffic coming from active VPNs or proxy networks, and that can trigger loading issues, login problems, or error messages. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely, refresh the page, and try Claude again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue right away. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can cause websites like Claude to misbehave, especially if the session is corrupted or outdated. Open your browser settings, go to your privacy or history section, and delete the site data for Claude.ai. After clearing the data, close the browser tab, open Claude again, and sign back in. This gives you a clean session and often resolves loading or login errors. Next, disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or productivity add-ons, can interfere with Claude's page scripts and prevent it from working correctly. Try turning off your active extensions one by one, or temporarily disable them all, then reload Claude and test it again. If Claude starts working normally, you'll know one of your extensions was the cause. After that, if you're getting a length limit error, the fix is to shorten your messages. Claude may struggle if you paste in too much text, upload too much information, or ask for a very large response in one go. Instead, break your prompt, document, or files into smaller pieces before sending them. You can also ask Claude to handle one section at a time, which usually makes the response more reliable and easier to manage. Now, if Claude stops generating halfway through a response or cuts off mid-sentence, the problem may be too much context in the conversation. In that case, start a fresh chat or ask Claude to continue from the last point. Long conversations can build up a lot of context, and sometimes starting over helps the model respond more smoothly. You can also copy the last few lines and paste them into a new chat so Claude can pick up where it left off without carrying all the earlier conversation history. And if you're seeing a capacity message, that usually means Claude is temporarily busy due to high demand. The simplest fix here is to wait a few minutes and try your prompt again. These messages are often temporary, so a short break is usually enough. If possible, refresh the page, come back later, and resend your request once the servers are less busy. So to quickly recap, turn off your VPN, clear your cache and cookies, disable any browser extensions, shorten large prompts, reduce context by starting a new chat when needed, and wait if Claude is at capacity. These steps solve most Claude error issues without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.